Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to quickly show you how I made this lip oil that changes color into this pink and even into a lighter shade of pink like this. It's very easy, so let me show you. Oftentimes I have got a request to make this lip oil that changes color, and in this video I'm going to show you how I quickly achieve this with just a few ingredients. Most people call this lip oil the magic lip oil, and if you run a lip care brand, your customers would definitely love this one. For this lip oil, the oil I'm going to be using is my coconut oil, cold pressed. I like to use coconut oil for my lip oil simply because it has high moisturizing properties, it has SPF properties, and the cold process is usually clear and colorless in color. And also for a lip product, I like the taste and the smell of the coconut. I am making 10 ml of this oil, so I'm going to be weighing out 9.5 grams of my coconut oil. The next ingredient I'll be adding into this is my pigment. Now the pigment you use matters a lot because not all pigments can do this magic. If you use mica in this kind of formula, the mica will simply go to the bottom and settle. So for this lip oil formula, I use the FD&C color. To enhance the fragrance of this oil beautifully, I'm using bubblegum fragrance from Nature's Garden. Bubblegum fragrance smells just as its name, bubblegum, so it smells really like bubblegum. I'm going to be adding 0.5 grams of this fragrance to make my serum 10 ml or 10 grams. The color was actually QS because I needed just very little to give me the effect I wanted. If you're making this in large quantity and you will need to know the exact weight, then you can go ahead to use 0.01 grams. The FD&C color is actually a kind of pigment that I noticed could actually do this, hence I am sharing this video. Please, I would appreciate if you could take a minute of your time to like this video and also to help me subscribe to this channel. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you if you have done that. Now back to our formulation. I am going to keep mixing this gradually until the colors are fully dissolved. It is going to take lots of time for the color to fully dissolve in the oil, so you have to be patient. As you keep mixing and the color keeps dissolving, the oil is going to keep changing in color. Now for this pigment, I actually used red FD&C color. That is because I wanted to effect a more darker shade of pink on the lips with this pigment. So this is the red, and I also made another batch with the pink color. And this was just how it looked. Now with the fragrance being used, this smelled really like bubblegum and was so flavorful to use on the lips. It is totally your choice to choose whatever preference your fragrances are. But if you need to shop Nature's Garden fragrances, we supply them, and you can see the description box for more details. We also have this FD&C color, and we also have your carrier oils in stock. In fact, we supply all your raw materials for your natural cosmetic formulation. If you also think that you need to do better with your cosmetic formulation, we run an academy where we have a skincare diploma that will be worth your time. Also, other diplomas will be coming in shortly, both online and offline, and we expect you to join us soon. So after mixing for a while, this is what our lip oil looks like. It's not looking all that reddish or all that pinkish. It's just looking like a random lip oil. But then the effect is seen when you put this on your lips and rub together. So after mixing for a while and the colors are fully dissolved, I'm going to transfer this into a lip oil container. You can also use your lip gloss containers if you have any. If you do not have any, you can get one of these from any cosmetic shops around you. Now this is what my oil looks like for the red, and for the pink, which happens to be my favorite, this is what we got. Now let's see how I applied it and how it looked on my lips. Hi, if this is your first time watching my videos or stopping by on this channel, welcome to Primeside. On this channel, I share videos showing you how to make your own safe and natural skincare and haircare product. Please help me hit the subscribe button and like this video. If you're a returning subscriber, Thank you very much. I appreciate you every time. So this is how our lip oil looks like at the end of the day, and this is how it looks like when I applied it on my lip. First, I simply place a little on my lip. It looked like a normal lip oil at first, but then as you keep blending it in by rubbing your lips together, the color starts changing and it becomes pink. The more you rub, the more the color comes out pink. And if you should do a double application on this, it's going to become very, very pink. Now, why I like this particular lip oil is because once I wipe this with a tissue, it gives me a lighter shade of pink that actually looks like a natural pink lips. I really do not like wearing glosses on my lips or even lipsticks, but I perfectly love this one. The shades that it give, the calmness, the coolness, and the fact that it lasts really long on the lips. Now, this is what the red actually gave to me. I'm not a fan of lipsticks, so I don't know if I like this. I think I like the pink one better. For you, let me know which one you prefer. Although the both are giving me pink, the red one is giving me a darker shade of pink, while the pink one is giving me all the shades of pink that I want. Now, if this video is helpful to you, please help me like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel. Also, let me know which one is your favorite and if you will try them out. I would love to see you in my next video. But for now, bye.